Want to maximize your tax refund this year? It's simpler than you might think. Today, we're going to delve into some tips and tricks that can help you do just that. First, let's demystify the tax refund. What is it? It's essentially money that's returned to you if you've overpaid your taxes. You see, when you pay your taxes, you're essentially giving the government an interest-free loan. If you've given them too much, you're entitled to get some of it back. Now, how can you maximize this refund? It starts with understanding your tax deductions. These are expenses that you can subtract from your taxable income. They reduce the amount of your income that's subject to tax, which can decrease your tax bill and increase your refund. One common tax deduction is the standard deduction. This is a fixed amount that the IRS allows you to deduct from your taxable income. For the tax year 2024, the standard deduction is $12,800 for single taxpayers and $25,600 for married couples filing jointly. But don't stop at the standard deduction. There are many other deductions that you might be eligible for. For instance, if you're self-employed, you can deduct expenses related to your business, like office supplies or travel costs. If you're a homeowner, you can deduct mortgage interest and property taxes. Another way to maximize your refund is by taking advantage of tax credits. Unlike deductions, which reduce your taxable income, tax credits reduce your tax bill directly. Some popular tax credits include the Child Tax Credit, the Earned Income Tax Credit, and the American Opportunity Tax Credit. Now, this might sound like a lot to manage, but don't worry. There are many resources available to help you navigate the tax landscape. Tax software can guide you through the process of filing your taxes and help you identify deductions and credits that you might not be aware of. Remember, the key to maximizing your tax refund is understanding your tax situation and taking advantage of every deduction and credit that you're eligible for. So, to summarize, understand your tax deductions from the standard deduction to specific ones related to your circumstances. Take advantage of tax credits that can directly reduce your tax bill, and use resources like tax software to help you navigate the process. By following these tips and tricks, you can maximize your tax refund and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Because after all, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep.